What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Looks like Bitcoin might be trying to break bullish here. We'll see. If we do break out of the top of this wedge, my measured move is 10,900 and about 10,940, right in that range. If we break down, whoops, let me turn that off. There we go. Yeah, so if we do get rejection again here, then we're looking back down towards the 97, like I said this morning. But if we break up here, which is pretty possible, let me go into a smaller time frame real quick. Yeah, it's looking, these are pretty strong on the 15-minute. As you can see, my 8, my 13, and my 21 crossed the 55. The 8's heading up towards the 200 EMA. If that continues on over to the hourly, we're looking pretty good. I'd say we'll know probably by the first 4 hour of the next daily. What's up, Anthony? How the hell is everyone? I'll wait till some more people get in here. I want to make an announcement about the meetup in Cleveland. Should be a good time. If anybody is from Ohio or nearby, you might definitely want to schedule it in. It's going to be October 10th at the Thirsty Dog in Cleveland from 5:30 to 6:30. It's going to be Max Kaiser, Peter McCormick, Stacy Herbert, and Crypto Zombie, and me hosting. So definitely check it out if you get a chance. What's up, Crazy Greek Freak? Web Age, how you doing? Dakota Phillips, pattern is a pattern. You know it, man. So, yeah, I guess we're just waiting on this, see what happens. If we do get a breakup, like I said, my target's around that 10,950. And then if we do make it up there, I'm still looking at this as a inverse head and shoulders. And if we do break up from there, the measured move of that would be $12,500 range. What's up, Henry? Yeah, the 10K subscribers. I want to thank you all for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing on the videos. Really helps out. And I do want to show you guys these again. I have these aluminum signs. I hope you can see that. There's one there, and then I have this one here. You can hang them on the wall, do whatever, but I will pick a winner on Sunday. Make sure you comment on all the videos throughout the week until Sunday, and then Sunday I'll do a random comment. Pick a winner, and we'll go from there. See who wins it. We do sell them also, so if you are interested in one, just hit me up in the email that's in the description below the video, along with our Discord group. There is a link down there. Definitely check out the group. It's a great community. If you're not in there, check it out. It's totally free. Also, there is some affiliate links down there with some exchange links that if you sign up with, you get a bonus. There's some other stuff in there. Ledger link, Brave browser, awesome browser. You don't have to watch the commercials and ads. So anyways, enough of that. Let's see what's going on. Doomsdayers are waiting for 6,500. Let them wait. They were shorting at 6,000 in the middle of the year. You see how that worked out for them. Same freaking people that were saying this was a fake rally or a dead cat bounce and whatnot. You seen what happened. People were shorting at 6,000, saying there's no way we would break that this year, and it did nothing. Like I think the top of this bull flag is gonna do nothing. Just my opinion though. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Really helps get the video out there and gets people notified that we're live if they're not already subscribed. Steve Hub said Max and Stacy are coming because they want to meet Crypto Savvy. Yeah, it should be a good time. If you guys can make it there, that'd be awesome. They're also, everybody gets a free drink. It is sponsored, so they are buying everybody that attends a free drink. Your first drink is free. I believe Max is the 10,000th subscriber. BitSource. That is who actually put this all together. So give BitSource AML. I don't know if he wants me to mention his real name on here, but give him a shout out and yeah, thank him for it. He's the one that put this all together. He's been working hard at it. As you guys know, I work full time, so I have a hard time, you know, keeping up with the stuff and doing all that. Yoda needs to learn the way of the force charts. Yoda. Anthony says he's gonna put you in timeout, Yoda. Fast Eddie said free drink, he's there. Yes, also thanks to Blackland Cleveland and the Dropbid app for their sponsorships. They are sponsoring this whole event. This will be the biggest Bitcoin event in Ohio, and it's probably going to end up being a yearly thing, and hopefully it continues to grow. So definitely make it if you can. There was something else going on afterwards, I think, too, at a nightclub or something. BitSource would have the information on that. And again, we'll get more information on everything, and we're going to make something up so everybody gets something to pass out. I think Bitcoin Ben's going to help us get it out there. Obviously, Crypto Zombie. So we will be getting it out there, guys. Yoda said he's used to timeout. What do you think about the halvening in May or April? I don't pay attention to anything but the charts. I think most of you guys know that. I really don't pay attention to news, don't pay attention to charts, none of that. I believe everything is already burnt in the charts. We could look here, though. Whoops. I did want to point this out. I know if you guys have been watching the channel, you've been seeing what I'm talking about here, whether you believe it or not. But anyways, I do believe we're in this part of the cycle like we were back in 2012. I do believe that's what, and we're working towards 3, and that would be my 46,000 by the end of the year. And if you look here, same thing. Obviously, we're way further down in here, but I do believe this is what's coming, guys. I definitely believe that. If Bitcoin hits 46K end of the year, I'm going to get a tattoo of you on my ass. Nice one, Mr. Magic. Anthony said there's a Bitcoin Ben meetup in Philly. If anyone wants to go, hit me up on Discord. I need to make one of his meetups. I like Bitcoin Ben. Jet Set Bernie, Crypto Savvy, why 46K by December? Could it possibly be a little later in February, March? Love the channel. That's just what the charts are telling me, man. And I'm going by this. We look at what happened with gold, and I know I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. You look right here in 2003, that's when the gold ETF was approved. I do believe there's an ETF coming, guys, and that is going to just blow this thing up. People say the People say the ETF won't do anything. Look what it did to gold. It was right here in gold. So yeah, the ETF's going to do something. And yes, I do believe 46K by the end of the year. I also showed you guys a Elliott wave count that brought it right to 46,000 by the end of the year too. So Predator just popped in to say hello. Gotta go smash the likes. Thanks, brother. If you guys are part of the Discord, Predator is the man. He has tons of info. The dude is a endless source of information about crypto. Master Yoda said 46K is never gonna happen. You want to bet a Bitcoin on that? I don't think he's correct. I think this thing is gonna blow everyone's mind. BitSource said Master Yoda's tone vase. Bitcoin and Litecoin are the future. I do believe that. I think they Litecoin complements Bitcoin. What's Litecoin doing anyways? Litecoin still looks all right. People are so bearish on everything right now. I like when everybody's bearish. It just makes me more bullish. Reg said Master Yoda needs a timeout. Phase, he is cray cray. His Bitcoin would be 6,500 and yours would be 46K. That's, hey, if he thinks it's going there, he don't think it's going there, what's he worried about then? I think everybody is going to be pleasantly surprised, and you bears that think this is breaking down are going to be crying again, just like you were when we broke through 6,000. Look at the weekly, and I'll show you again why I believe that we can hit 46,000 by the end of the year. We are the same spot we were in September 2017, right here. It's just a bigger version. We blew up to we went from 4,000 in September to 8,000 in November. That was a 98% rise. So if we did a 98% rise from here, that would get us to 20,000 by November, which matches up perfectly with this trend line I have here. Then after that, from November to December, we went up 146% to 20,000. If we go up 121% here, that's 46,000. Guys, I do believe that's going to happen. Jet Set Baroni, you think ETF is more positive for Bitcoin than Bakkt? Yes, I do. Way more positive. Master Yoda thinks weekly is bearish, but weekly is not bearish. Just look at the RSI on weekly. That is not bearish. If we close this outside of here this weekend, or by the close on Sunday, this thing is going to shoot. Telling you, we are going to break the top of the bull flag. If this breaks down below this bottom trend line, then that's a different story. But until then, I do believe it's going up, guys. Get back into, let's look at the daily RSI. So looking at this as the falling wedge that we broken out of, came back down, tested it, getting support off the top of it. That's what I talked about this morning happening, and that's exactly what happened. Look at the 4 hour. As you can see, I was watching the falling broadening wedge, and I also had this falling channel in here and a falling channel right here that uses the bottom of the wedge, and we have broken out of both of those. We may come back down, test this for support. The break of the wedge will also break this broadening wedge. Super bullish. If them break, guys, it is on. Anthony said he's a paid troll, Savvy. Oh well, I guess you're doing something right if you get trolls all coming in and talking shit, right? Steve, what was your projection in 2017? What were you seeing it going to when we were around 4,000? Did you think it was going to go to 20 in 2017? Ray said, think we will test or pass 10K again soon. We're past 10K right now. Monthly shows higher lows since February. No bears in sight. Exactly. Let's take a look at the monthly again. Zoom in a little bit on it. Yeah, that doesn't look too bearish to me at all. Actually looks bullish. I know people are saying it has big wicks, blah blah blah, had it over here. That means nothing. Nothing at all to me. What's up, big dog? WebAge said, for all you know, Yoda's secretly trading using your calls. Who knows, man? That call did come in pretty good. Let's go back to the daily. I had put this one up, I think Monday. Oh yeah, and this morning I screwed up when I made the video. I said it was Monday. Somebody told me afterwards. Going to the 4 hour. But yeah, I had called that, and if you belong to the Discord, I kept telling everybody and kept popping this chart up in there that my target was 98.50. What did we hit? 98.60 or 98.62. Pretty damn close. Mother Bear Engaged said, Savvy, the weekly pattern, if you look at 19,900 with the wick, the next wick on weekly, wick closer, lower, that is bearish. I'll see you guys when you FOMO in. That's all I got to say about that. Like I had said, you know, I was hearing the same shit from probably the same trolls back here when everybody was bearish, and I called every top all the way up here. Every fucking one of them. Sorry about the language. It's trolls are idiots. Thanks, Phil. Appreciate it. We are headed towards 11.5, then dump to the 8K region. Man, people really think they are just pull numbers out of their ass and they got it. It cracks me up, man. Totally cracks me up. Jet Set Baroni, I believe in 46,000. Bitcoin, can you share your exit strategy? Sell all at once, sell in stages. I'll trade, but I'm not selling my Bitcoin and stuff till this whole I don't ever plan on selling. That's what I don't think a lot of people get. Hold on a second. That's why I don't think a lot of people get. You know, there's people in here trying to win money and get in, get out quick with money, whatever, blah, blah, blah. That is not the goal here. I believe Bitcoin is going to succeed, and I have no reason to sell my Bitcoin. I'm just going to continue accumulating. Because trolls go by opinion. This is TA. Yeah, and I hear a lot of people saying TA don't work. I mean, I don't know. I think TA works pretty damn good. If you do it properly. Don't worry about the short term. Every triangle and pennant in Bitcoin bull markets have broken up. Yeah, and this one will too. I'm sure of that. You know, everybody's getting bearish. All the channels are bearish. Everybody's looking at this as a descending triangle. Look at the bottoms of this. How in the hell are they going to draw a straight line across the bottom of that? It is not a descending triangle. But, I mean, that's great. Everybody's bearish. Everybody wants to short it. Short the hell out of this bitch so you can get liquidated. Push it up. And then once the liquidations get pushed up, next in line is mass FOMO. If you think it's going down, doesn't make you a troll. But saying it'll never hit a certain amount. Exactly. Do you think Litecoin or Bitcoin breaks out first? I don't know. Litecoin, maybe. Litecoin has been, you know, it led us out of the bear market. Let me go into a smaller time frame, see if we can see anything. Yeah, I don't know. I think maybe they jump at the same time. Who knows? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that, like I said, if we don't pop out of this, if we don't break through this by tonight, we'll probably come back down, retest the 9,700 area. But I think we go up after that. If we don't go up tonight, I think there's a good possibility we go up, we break this tonight, guys, and head towards the 11,000. Once we get that government approved crypto Bitcoin with the ETF. New shirt. See you FOMO later. Right on, John. I don't know if any of you guys were here back when we were around that 6,000 range and everybody was saying we wouldn't break through. And I had mentioned it on a lot of the videos. I said, everybody, I will see you FOMOing in at 7,000. And it happened, and I believe the same exact thing is going to happen here because everybody's bearish, just like they were there. Everybody's calling 7,000, 8,000, 6,000. Webnet marketing, thanks, man. Appreciate the tip, brother. Lots of us bears would love to state our case, but we can't because we get booted. No, that's not, you don't try to state your case. You try to say that it can't do this, it can't do that. If you have a plan, you'll never FOMO again. That's true. I remember, but you stood firm like a stone wall. I am still being firm right here. Same thing, man. Edwards seen me get bashed in another group. I still do when I go in there. There's still one guy that bashes me every time I go in saying my TA sucks, I'm a scammer. how am I a scammer? I don't sell anything. I try to help people understand charts. That's it. K Jake remembers too. Every tuber being bearish has proven to be bullish. Yeah. And you know what? Most of the tubers, I'm not going to say all of them, but most of the YouTubers, they just copy each other and they look at other people's charts and pull up other people's charts. They don't even actually do anything of their own. I mean, yeah, it's like they all just copy off each other. And then when there's a big move, then they, you know, they're all looking at a descending triangle, which it is not. Yeah, I don't know, man. Paul Bear, hey Savvy, just popping in. We'll have to watch later, but thanks for the live stream. Peace out, brother. Crypto Nah said, please keep scamming me. No problem, Mike. Anytime. I'll just keep on scamming for nothing. Go ahead, Master Yoda. Make a good case for down. I want to see it. Savvy, did you read Bitcoin's tweet about Bakkt? I don't think so. I don't remember reading one about Bakkt. Better watch this Savvy guy. He looks shady to me. Right on, Hog. I'm a shady mofo. Permanent Bear, Crypto Kirby is one. Yeah, we're going to the crypto abyss. Crypto Kirby just does that to try to put bulls to the moon. Thanks, Jimmy. Appreciate the tip, brother. Yeah, Crypto Kirby just tries to put fear in people so they buy his shit courses. So he can pay for his gambling habits or whatever the hell he has. Savvy, I've been holding since you had 188 subscribers. You're the main. All right, man. Big Dog said, did I win the t-shirt for the 10,000 sub drawing? It's not a t-shirt, Big Dog. It's going to be the signs. I'll show the signs again for those that didn't see them. This is what I'm giving away for the... Make sure you comment on all the videos all week. I will be giving away the sign of your choice. I'll be picking a random comment on Sunday's video. I'll use the random comment picker, but those are the Bitcoin signs you can win. We also sell them too, so if you want one, you can email me and I'll give you the info. I'm getting a hold of one. Jet Set Baroni, appreciate the daily post, Savvy. Thanks a lot, man. You guys rock. Appreciate the tips. And make sure you hit the like, subscribe, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. I do post morning updates every single morning. On the weekends, sometimes they're a little bit later, but in the morning, they're usually done by 8 o'clock. Master Yoda, 7/7 weekly, wick closes, 13/2 right. Okay. So the 7/7 weekly closes lower than the 6/23 candle at wick at 13/7. Okay. Joe said Savvy's the best scammer I ever talked to. Random comment. Scott Free, it doesn't work in live chats. It's a comment on the videos. Leave your comments after the videos in the comment section. Pull up the BTC monthly, Savvy, and show the importance of closing above 14,000. Did you say the monthly? Yeah. Right here, this is 14,000. If we have a close above these candles here, that will be bullish as all hell. And I believe that's going to happen soon. Somebody said you mostly focus on Bitcoin. Tell us why you do that. Because Bitcoin is king. That's why I do that. I mean, I love me some Litecoin, but Bitcoin controls the market. I mean, Bitcoin is what this is all about. Very not bad reviews. Did I miss the LTC talk? There's really not much going on in Litecoin. The same as this morning. My calls the same. My numbers are the same. We still broke out of this falling channel here. So yeah, nothing's really changed with it. Just taking a little longer. Litecoin still looks good in my opinion. We're getting support in a 4-hour off the 55 EMA here. But yeah, Litecoin looks good still. Every weekly candle wick closes lower, buyers getting rejected. I mean, that's how you want to look at it. But if you know anything about wick off, that is reaccumulation. They'll sell to get people to fear, sell, then they'll buy back at the bottom. They'll sell up here, start a fear sell off, they'll buy back at the bottom. It's common sense, man. That's not bearish. It's reaccumulation. Mohouse, congrats on the subscribers. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys for subscribing and, you know, helping out the channel. I really appreciate it. Big time. Mohouse at 50x long. I don't know about all that. I do not think anybody should trade that high a leverage at all. I trade 5x. That's it. So why at 19.9 do the 2 wicks move down so hard? Because that was the end of that run. This is the beginning of this run. That's why. I think you're going to be, I hope you're not trying to short this market, Yoda. I think you will be very disappointed. There's another fool that made some videos about me that was talking about these wicks. I can't wait till he feels like a total jackass too. Jim John said, I almost lost a kidney during the December 2017 frenzy. Accumulation allowed me to get back where I was. Jeff Nelson said, Savvy, did you predict 20K in 2017? No, I did not. What was not reaccumulation there, Yoda? You got to quit comparing this to this, my friend. It is nothing like this. This is like this. It's just starting. We're just getting started here, dude. Paul Bear, thanks, my friend. Appreciate it, man. Free publicity, Savvy. I got a lot of that in the beginning. I've got quite a few less haters than I had, which is pretty interesting. Trying to get this. There we go. Yeah. See, this is where we're at, buddy. Right here, Yoda. That's just bigger. A lot bigger. The run's going to be a lot bigger. Everything's going to be a lot bigger. Huge. 46K, end of the year. Yoda's short, 11.2, 11.8. 10.6 and 10.2. You better close them. I mean, there's no guarantees, right, on anything, but I'm pretty confident in this. Pretty confident in this call, guys. You have to compare it to history. That's what we trade off of. Exactly. And I showed you the history. We're here. We are here. This is what's coming. If you know anything about the RSI, the weekly RSI is bullish as a motherfucker. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Crypto Keys, thanks, brother. Jimmy J said 46,357.32. I agree to disagree, Yoda. Do you want to bet a Bitcoin on it? Seriously? I will do that. Do you think investing early next month is too late? I don't think it's too late for to invest in Bitcoin. My personal opinion, and it's not financial advice, I don't think it's ever too late to get Bitcoin. If you see it drop, buy it. That's what I do. Right Brain said winning. All the 2017 crypto buyers will need to return to the market, and Google Trends of the word Bitcoin will need to significantly rise. Look at how and when it rised back in 2017. Just check it out. My marine ears can't handle the language. Love the passion. What about Litecoin? We just looked at it. Litecoin's still the same. If you watch my video this morning, still the same. Nothing's changed in it. Romaine Thomas said 50K. Steve Hubb said he'll bet me 0.1 Bitcoin. We'll do a gentleman's bet, Steve. I'll bet you a Litecoin. Do you have any Litecoin? I think shorting in a falling wedge. Actually, I think any trading in this wedge isn't the smartest thing to do if you're playing with your actual Bitcoin. Technically, you shouldn't play till the breakout of either direction. D17 Tom, damn it, Savy, you activated my Google Assistant. Hey Google, play some music. Never forget, Bitcoin was 0.003 cents. Exactly, man. All right, Yoda. Sounds like a plan, man. Dogecoin and Digibyte could be worth a punt right now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't follow any other small coins. I just don't really have time. Like I said, guys, I don't do this full time. I work full time. Yeah. I really would like to see, what time is it? 7:10. All right. Vote on this. Who thinks this is going to break up out of this wedge tonight? Hit 1. Hit 2 if you don't think it's going to. See what everybody's thoughts are on this. I'm not a fan of the Browns, Yoda. Depends on who they're playing. All right, Steve. Sounds good, man. Two, two, one. It's looking like it's about half and half. Anthony, don't think it's gonna break tonight, huh? Well, we'll know the next 4-hour candle, I believe. Obviously, the daily is gonna close here in 48 minutes. How the RSI is looking here. Actually, not too horrible. Who cares? Let's go make fun of them. $11K in a week. I believe if we don't break hard from now till the end of the week or the weekend, I believe next week's gonna have to be the week. But I do see us breaking up out of here, guys. I do see it. I mean, this is just bullish right here. That's bullish. Savvy, you think 98.50 was our bottom? I do. But like I said, if we don't break the top of this wedge tonight, then we could be going down to 9,700. It's possible. But I think we're going to break this tonight. That's just my opinion, though. I'm bullish on Baker Mayfield. Everyone goes to bed and wakes up to 46,000. That would be awesome, right? I mean, how many people believed this time of the year in 2017, how many people believed that Bitcoin was going to go to $20,000? Not many. Bitcoin Cash, you have any interest in this coin? I do not. I do not have any interest in any coin that competes with Bitcoin. I wouldn't want to give him any viewers, Yoda. He sucks. Says he's been trading for 17 years and he ain't got no damn teeth. He couldn't afford teeth? He ain't that good of a trader. Even 35K would be awesome. For sure. Guys, when it breaks 20K, it's going to be mass FOMO. I think a hunt to wreck shorts, then back down as a bull trap, reckoning longs, then break up. It's possible. But if we do, like I said, we'll probably come back down and touch the bottom of this. Actually, I'm going to put a target in there for if we do not break. Where would it be? If we don't break tonight. And I'm not saying break the bull flag tonight. I'm saying break this little wedge tonight. Just to be clear. And I'm not saying we're gonna, but I'm saying if we don't, then we're probably looking at around the $9,700 range. But I think we're probably gonna pop up there, guys. 1, then 2, then 1. Paul Armour says. Make sure you smash likes, guys. And one more time, I believe there's different people in here now. We are having a meetup at the Thirsty Dog in Cleveland, October 10th from 5:30 to 7:30. Your first drink is free. It's going to be Max Kaiser, Peter McCormick, Stacy Herbert, Crypto Zombie, and me. So definitely come by. It'll be a good time, guys. Center Mass Logistics, what's up, man? Last two halvings, Bitcoin didn't break the previous all-time high until after the halving. May do it again. Yeah, I don't, you know, Steve, I don't pay attention to halvings and all that crap. I believe everything's in the charts. It's burnt in. It is what it is. The charts is all you need. Mike Demand says, I'll rent out Lambos so y'all can party at 16K. Take it easy, Jimmy J. Oh, here's the Iron Man douchebag again. Somebody get this guy out of here and get some teeth, Iron Man. Pattern is a pattern. That is correct. Crypto Savvy, can you zoom in on today's candle? On the daily? There we go, zoomed in. Take it easy, 24M. What percentage odds do you put on Bitcoin reaching first, 20K or 5K? 20K for sure. I don't think it'll get nowhere near 5K. Steve says, I prefer a slower move up. Yeah, I mean, I get that, but if you look at what's going on, I do believe this is where we're at in the cycle, and that's what's coming. So, you know, after the 46, we'll have a correction, maybe down to the mid-20s, and then back up, way up. We'll talk about that at some other time. F yourself, Tin Man. My bad behavior is a pattern. I hear that. Did we cross the golden cross in the 4 hour? I don't know. I didn't even look at the 4 hour. Let's see what's going on. No, we are getting resistance at the 13 EMA. Whoops. It moves up and then consolidates hard. Your kid was playing with the keyboard, Paul. All right, guys. That's it. I heard the wife just walked in the door, so I am gonna head downstairs. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and my update video will be uploaded in the morning. Make sure you check it out. Leave your comments for your chance to win the Bitcoin sign. And don't forget about the meetup, October 10th, if you are around the Ohio area. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Have a good night.